The stored corn and wheat move into advanced cleaning systems, where powerful air separators, vibrating screens, and precision filters remove dust.
The corn kernels slowly soften as automated systems regulate temperature and processing time with extreme precision. The prepared dough portions enter powerful tortilla pressing machines, where heated plates flatten them into thin, perfectly round tortilla sheets. Combining traditional methods with modern industrial technology, the journey from grain to soft tortilla wraps reaches its successful conclusion.
The milling speed is down by 2%.
Adjusting the flow regulators now. Quality check remains optimal.
Through an advanced global distribution network, automated logistics organize pallets, ensuring precision from the factory to final delivery.